Magi? I know it's a very bad slang word in languages. Some words may be very okay, like very good in something, but I think it's Maggie for magic, which I'm assuming. So this was it. You saw the price, and let's see. Looks good print wise, and you let me know if you think it's original or not or whatever it is. Just please let me know. And this things cost us a lot of money. हम 4K में shoot करते हैं, वो सब करते हैं. Like really like बहुत सारा कॉस्ट रहता है सेटअप का, वो का, इसका ऑर्डर का, तो प्रोडक्ट का तो अपना कॉस्ट रहता ही है, फिर रिकॉर्डिंग का अपना कॉस्ट रहता है, फिर हर एक चीज़ का अपना एक कॉस्ट है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड नीचे से फट रहा है फॉर सम रीज़न. दिस इज एंड दिस इज मागी का ऐसा 4 वॉल्यूम. दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज लाइक 3, this is 4, I think, assuming. So this is the entire thing. Magi. मेरे बोलने में अजीब सा लग रहा है because it is a slang word in language. So this is how it is, like you can imagine वैसा वाला. So let's keep this here and let's start with volume 1. So and this is in a true way, and it's Japanese style but written in like Arabic setup, but looks nice. Like just look at the quality and other things. Wow, even the frames, other things, it's little chibi style but with magic, and assuming it looks good. Like something I have to read more. There's, I think that's a jinn. Wow. And probably some serious topics also. So yeah, this is like definite good quality. Definitely good quality. Something that you see and you want to read more. Like you pick up randomly and you see some frames and you just want to, like, that means that like they have worked on every frame so good that you want to read more about it. You want to learn more about it. Like that's how it should be. Like good so far, amazing good quality, like Japanese style but in a Arabic setting kind of a thing. So the Labyrinth of Magic, I thought it would be like, there is, I think, some mature, not like very mature things, but the storyline is like, they gotta find Jinn, this, but in that also they have done is their adventures, and always good, like a lot of way it's storytelling god. That should not be there, what I just saw, I think. See, it should not be here in any setup. That was bad. So yeah, this is third one. Let's see the fourth one quickly, because time. I think that is the Jinn. Somebody is captured. Sorry, spoiler alerts. I wish I will like start where I start explaining in Hindi. If you want to do that, अगर आपको उसको उस हिसाब से चाहिए तो please let me know. I can start do that. I can actually I have those things जो मैंने पहले review किए हैं सारे के सारे, तो I can just read one by one and see कि क्या होता है. Let you story, but that will like eventually will take a much longer than you can imagine. So yeah, ये 4 थे. Link in the description. Quite good for this. All 4. Link in the description. Bye bye. Thank you.